We have some breaking updates. Center submits affidavit on banned group. SIMI says any organization with objective to establish Islamic rule in India cannot be permitted to exist. In fact, Center adds in that affidavit, SIMI, through its members, have contacts in Pakistan, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh and Nepal. So, Center submitting an affidavit before the Apex Court on banned group SIMI. In fact, that affidavit says any organization with objective to establish Islamic rule in India cannot be permitted to exist. In fact, Center also add that SIMI, through its members, has contacts in Pakistan, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh and Nepal. So, crackdown on terror group SIMI by the Center. In fact, the Center takes a very aggressive stand on SIMI objective of Islamic rule not allowed. SIMI has its networks and roots in Pakistan and Afghanistan. In fact, SIMI is against Indian nationalism. So that is what the affidavit by the Center states. An affidavit submitted before the Apex Court on a banned group SIMI, saying this organization has objective to establish Islamic rule in India and that cannot be permitted to exist. In fact, the Center in that affidavit also says SIMI, through its members, has contacts in Pakistan, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh and Nepal. So, Center there speaking about the dangerous roots of SIMI and how this organization cannot be permitted to exist.
Center has very clearly said that any organization that has a plan of establishing Islamic rule in India cannot be permitted in the Indian soil. SIMI does not believe in Indian nationalism and wants to replace it with an international Islamic order. Very, very serious allegations. And Center has also said that there is strong evidence that despite the ban since 2001, SIMI, through its several members have regrouped and are still indulging in activities dangerous to the integrity, sovereignty and unity of the country. And SIMI, through its several contacts, has connections in Pakistan, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh and Nepal, and several members, dangerous terrorists from Hizbul Mujahideen and Lashkar-e-Toba has penetrated SIMI and is spreading terrorism in the country. Let me read out a very significant para from the affidavit. It says, SIMI
Right, so the central government filing that counter affidavit in the Supreme Court justifying the ban imposed on SIMI, extensively referring to the constitution of SIMI, which speaks of objectives like establishment of Islamic system in my country. The Center said that such a constitution must be seen as in direct conflict with the democratic sovereign setup of India.